Be Kassapian, and I'm absolutely thrilled that you've come over to my website to have a look around and see what I can offer. So suffice to say, I absolutely adore teaching people to cook, you to cook. And I specialise now in paleo keto cooking for health and longevity, which is really, really important to me. But there are 3 ways that actually you can work with me. And the first one is through my online business. And that's particularly for D of E teenagers. And also, well, in fact, for anybody age 8 to 80 years. You know, you could have an amazing 8-year-old who's really keen to cook, and they would probably need a little bit of support. But going through, you might find yourself needing to cook at 80 plus years, and you know, these videos will help you. When you buy the online courses, you get the videos and the recipes for life. So there's no rush to do them all in a hurry. Nothing's going to cut off, and you can just dip in and out, turn me on and off exactly as you wish. I know that the recipes are successful. I consistently have teenagers pouring out the most wonderful results, which I see when they're doing their DOV. And I just want to spread the word everywhere. I want everybody to be able to cook and have some professional teaching in an affordable way in your own home. So that's the online business. Now, I also absolutely adore coming to your kitchen, and this is where I work in a one-to-one way. I'm a trained nutrition therapist, and I love going to people's kitchens and empowering them to cook, teaching them professional cookery skills, but also understanding their life and their needs, and teaching them recipes that are going to fit in and help them eat well and just have organisation that they didn't know they could have, cook faster, simpler, more effectively, and most importantly, joyously. And you can check out the testimonials of recent clients to see what they have to say. But those sessions I adore, and they're really, really powerful. So me in your home, especially if you've got an Aga, I love working in houses with Agas. And then the final way, my paleo keto party. Now, this area is mainly at the moment on a Saturday morning live. So you can see, if you can tune in on Saturday morning, and I'm doing a live cookery demonstration in my kitchen, and I would love you to join in. So this is paleo keto cooking, and you along the way you'll learn you'll learn more about it. You know, why I'm so passionate about it. You'll hear about Dr. Sarah Myhill, and in the autumn, I've got a live event at this house, which is very exciting, and that's going to be a VIP event for my paleo keto clients. But for now, it's fun. Paleo keto party. Well, it's a great way to live, but I am human and I'm not perfect, but I never, ever beat myself up. So that's the party bit there, because I keep getting back on the wagon and it keeps doing good things for me. And I want you to be able to join in too and pick the best bits and make it easy for you. So do have a browse through my website. Do get in contact if you want to chat about anything. You can just book a call at your leisure at a time convenient for you. I would love to chat, and thank you again for visiting me on my website, and I really hope I get to work with you soon. So over and out now, and come and find me wherever you want to find me. Bye.